Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Dolcy Sharma. I'm working as a clinical instructor in RPIIT College. Today, we'll discuss about the topic osteoarthritis. Protective mechanism of synovial joint. एक तरह से anatomy है synovial joint capsule and synovial lining, articular cartilage. What is osteoarthritis? Osteoarthritis is a degenerative disease of synovial joints characterized by focal loss of articular hyaline, cartilage with proliferation of new bone and remodeling of joint counter. Epidemiology. Weight bearing joints, example knee and hip joints. Example age more than 65 years. 80% have radiographic features. 25 to 30% have symptoms. More common in women. Familial tendency. Distribution of disease. Knees, foot, hand. Causes primary and idiopathic when there is no obvious predisposing factor, common form of OA. Secondary when degenerative joint changes occur in response to recognizable local or systematic factor. Causes of secondary osteoarthritis: developmental hip dysplasia, endocrine acromegaly, traumatic intra-articular fracture, occupational meniscectomy, inflammation RA, gout, septic arthritis, metabolic alkalonuria, Wilson disease, aseptic necrosis, corticosteroid use, SLE, sickle cell disease, neuropathies, syringomyelia, diabetic mellitus, miscellaneous, Paget's disease, and Gaucher's disease. Risk factors: constitutional susceptibility, heredity, gender, hormonal status, obesity, high bone mineral density, mechanical factors, trauma, joint shape, alignment, usage, occupational, recreational. Pathogenesis: progressive destruction and loss of articular cartilage with an accompanying prearticular bone. Response leads to exposure of subchondral bone which becomes sclerotic with increased blood vascularity and cyst formation. Clinical features: pain, activity, and weight bearing related relief by rest, variable over time, only one of few joints involved, morning stiffness, only brief, more than 30 minutes, restricted functionality, capsular thickening, blockage by osteophytes. Clinical findings in NORA generalized OA: presentation typical in women 40 and 50 years, pain, stiffness, swelling of one or few finger intraphalangeal joints, distal proximal, Herband's nodes, involvement of first T-carpal joint is common, predisposition to OA at other joints, especially knees. Clinical findings in knee: targets patellofemoral and mediotibio-femoral compartments of knee. Pain is localized to anterior or medial except of knee and upper tibia. Jerky gait, varus deformity, joint line or prearticular tenderness, weakness and wasting of quadricep muscles, restricted extension of and flexion, bony swelling around joint. Clinical findings in hip: targets mostly superior aspect and less common medial aspects of joint. Pain is maximally deep in groin, analgic gait, weakness and wasting of muscle, quadriceps and gluteal, pain and restricted internal rotation with flexion. Clinical findings in early onset of osteoarthritis: before the age of 45 years, single or multiple joint involvement, typical signs and symptoms of OA. Clinical features in erosive, preferentially targeting proximal IPJs, common